The future of AI artificial intelligence has evolved from simple rule-based programs to advanced models capable of writing books, composing music, and even mimicking human creativity. But what's next? How far will AI go? Will it revolutionize the world for the better or push us into a future we're not ready for? Today, we're diving deep into the future of AI. The next major milestone in AI development is artificial general intelligence, or AGI in abbreviation, in an AI that does not just perform specific tasks, but also can think, reason, and learn like a human. This means in the future, AGI will solve complex problems across multiple domains. Big names like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic are racing toward AGI. Some experts predict AGI could emerge in the next 10 to 20 years. But what happens when AI becomes as intelligent, or even more intelligent than humans? This is where things get both exciting and terrifying. How AI will change our daily lives in the future. AI will integrate even deeper into our daily lives, transforming everything from personal productivity to global industries. Here's some examples of what we can expect. 1. Super intelligent AI assistants. Forget Siri and Alexa. It will manage your entire life. It will anticipate your needs before you even express them, reminding you of upcoming anniversaries, suggesting gifts based on past preferences, or even drafting personal emails on your behalf. It will also handle your finance. It means AI will track your spending habits, recommend investments, and even negotiate bills for you. For example, if you need a loan, your AI will compare lenders, assess risks, and even negotiate better interest rates on your behalf. 2. AI healthcare. AI will track your vitals in real time, predicting potential health risks before they arise. It will remind you to take medications, adjust your diet based on your genetic profile, and even schedule doctor appointments when needed. AI will revolutionize medicine, diagnosing diseases with unmatched accuracy, designing personalized treatments, and even performing robotic surgeries without human intervention. 3. AI relationship and emotional intelligence support. AI will help navigate personal relationships, reminding you when it's time to check in with friends or suggest ways to resolve conflicts based on past interactions. Advanced AI could act as an emotional support system, analyzing your tone, mood, and stress levels and offering personalized advice to boost mental well-being. 4. AI-generated entertainment. Movies, music, and books will be tailored specifically to your tastes. Imagine watching a Netflix series generated just for you with custom-made plots and characters. 5. Self-driving everything. Beyond self-driving cars, AI-powered delivery drones, autonomous taxis, and even AI-piloted planes will change transportation forever. 6. AI and the job market. AI won't just replace jobs. It will create entirely new industries. From AI ethics managers to machine learning auditors, new roles will emerge that we can't even imagine today. The bottom line, super intelligent AI assistants will be more than just tools. They will act as personalized digital concierges, financial advisors, health monitors, and even emotional companions. The real question is, how much control will we be willing to give them? Would you trust an AI to manage your life? Now let's talk about the biggest risks and ethical concerns. With AI's rise comes great risks. Here are some of the biggest concerns we must address. 1. AI bias and ethical dilemmas. AI can inherit biases from training data, leading to unfair hiring decisions, racial profiling, and misinformation. If AI is making critical decisions, who holds it accountable? 2. Job displacement. Crisis. Millions of jobs could vanish. Should governments introduce universal basic income to support workers displaced by AI? 3. Autonomous weapons. The rise of AI-controlled weapons poses a serious threat. Should we allow AI to make life and death decisions on the battlefield? 4. Super intelligent AI. If AI surpasses human intelligence, can we still control it? Some experts warn that once it reaches a certain level of self-improvement, it could become unpredictable and unstoppable. So, who controls the future? Currently, governments and tech leaders are scrambling to regulate AI before it spirals out of control. The European Union is leading the charge with strict AI laws, while the US and China are debating how to balance innovation with safety. But will regulations protect us or slow down progress? So the AI is both exciting and uncertain. Will AI become humanity's greatest tool or its biggest existential threat? That depends on how we develop, regulate, and use this powerful technology. But one thing is certain, AI is here to change the world. The question is, are we ready for what's coming next? Thanks for watching.